Hello, up for bid here on eBay is this great late 1960s script typeface Hermes Rocket. It's an amazing machine. I love it. I use it to type letters. That's my favorite thing to do with it, is to type personal correspondence. But alas, I have to put it up on eBay. First, let's take a look at the front here. It's got these gorgeous white keys. Very clean. It's very, very clean, as you can see. And to the side, anyone who's looked at a Hermes Rocket before knows that the platen knobs tend to break off very easily. This one appears to have had a hairline crack in it, but it's completely functional, and it did not go all the way through, and it's been glued. There's the right hand side. Then taking a look at the left hand side, this platen knob, it does not have a hairline crack in it. It's in phenomenal shape. It looks just fine. Going underneath the typewriter, let's take a look here. Now to the back side of the typewriter. Again, and this is in incredible shape, and comes with a case, an enclosure. Let's just kind of produce a writing sample. Again, really grips the paper. I'm only using one platen, and I'll just type out a typing sample real quick using only one hand. Sorry, but this could take a second. As you can hear, it's got a nice, good bell, nice smooth carriage. Got that 1.5, 1 and 2 line spacing, so you can have one single line spacing, 1.5 lines or 2 lines. And here's a look at that great script typeface. Again, this would look great on personal stationery, and it's nice and portable. Weighs, I believe, around 9 pounds. You can take it just about anywhere. So thank you for looking, and good luck.